In this video, I will show you how to connect laptop to Wi-Fi. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi, of course you need to be connected to Wi-Fi to access the internet. What you're going to want to do on your laptop is come down to the bottom right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto the Earth icon, so this picture of like a globe, give that a click, and that's going to open up a window like this. Now, if you look, you should see the Wi-Fi symbol here. It looks like this, and it currently says available. And what you want to do is click to the right-hand side to manage your Wi-Fi connections, and then select your Wi-Fi network from the list. So for myself, that's going to be this one. And then what you want to do is click on to connect. As you can see, I'm connected and good to go. We can double confirm this by coming down to the bottom right hand corner. You can see the picture of the globe has now been replaced with the current Wi-Fi network that I'm connected to. And it does say internet access, which means we have a secure internet connection. So that is how to connect laptop to Wi-Fi. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.